Hey y'all, it's Simply Shakeila, the Southern Belle Bombshell. Today is going to be a get ready with me to go to my first day in the new salon that I'm working at, the Ryan Timothy Salon, located in Summerville, South Carolina. The fragrance that I wore today was Oriental Oak Moss by Dossier. This is supposed to be similar to Chanel Mademoiselle. I definitely enjoy this fragrance. It smells so good and it lasts all day. I love Dossier products. This is my second fragrance from them. Before I had Ambery Saffron, which I like that one as well. I definitely want to try more fragrances from them because they smell really good and they last all day long. Like, you don't need to refresh at all. That's one of the things that I really love about Dossier. And also, I think they have a 30-day guarantee where if you don't like your fragrance, you can send it back and get your money back. And yeah, you get a lot in here. It's just a really great company, great product. Basically, you can get your luxury fragrances on the low, falling on the budget, but carry expensive luggage. So, Oriental Oak Moss, similar to Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. I will leave a discount code in the description bar, Shakeila S10, for you to receive 10% off of your purchase. So use my code, y'all. And stay tuned to see me do my hair and my makeup. All of the products that I use will be listed in the description bar. Let me know any questions that y'all have. I'm using my Care Silk and Seal Spray. This is my heat protectant. I'm following up with the Care Wax Stick and using my Babyless Titanium Pro Flat Iron on 450 degrees. Next, I'm using this Bellatique Edge Control. Well, it's actually a braiding gel, but for me, it's too stiff to braid with, but I find that it works really well as an edge control. And I'm not really doing too much. I'm just swooping my edges back, giving it like a natural look. Natural but polished. I don't really like all the excessive baby hairs. Here I'm just showing you that we're on flat, no lumps, no bumps, no clumps, no tracks showing. Now I'm using my favorite curling wand, the Ion Magnesium Pro 3-in-1 interchangeable curling wand. I'm curling away from the face, giving myself some bombshell curls, girl. For my foundation, I'm using a combination of the MAC Studio Fix and NW50 and the Lancome Tint Idol and 540 Suede W. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon. I'm using my Real Technique sponge to blend that out. Blend to oblivion, girl. Blend until you don't see any lines of demarcation. Setting that concealer with the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in 330. I don't like the loose powder. The pressed powder works better for me. Now I'm setting my face and blending that all in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. This is my fave. It's been in my collection. It's going to stay in my collection. I am bronzing it up with the Morphe Glamour Bronze in the color Phenom. This is one of my faves. And this is one of my favorite steps of the makeup process. I love lots and lots of bronzer. I'm lining my lips with a dark brown lip liner. Honestly, I think this is a NYX eyeliner. A tip that I heard is get a liner that's the same color as your areola. And girl, it changed my life. The gloss is Buxom in the shade White Russian. I love their products. I'm using the Paul Mitchell Hot Off the Press hairspray. I didn't have the Orbit hairspray from Paul Mitchell, which is my fave. So I'm using this just to keep my curls in place and to set everything in. I use the same products that I use in my real hair that grows out of my scalp. I use it on my extensions because I don't use super heavy products, so I can use them on my extensions, my shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in. So you take care of your extensions, girl, they're gonna take care of you, boo. So yeah, let me give y'all a little, show y'all the bite. You can't really see because I have on black, but yeah, the hair still looks really good and it's holding up really well. And as you can see, we are flat, sis. Super flat. No lumps, no bumps, no clumps, no track showing. That's what it's giving. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all bombshells the next time.